Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
First, confirm your phone runs Android 10 or higher before attempting connection. Next, check your car infotainment supports Android Auto and wireless connections if desired. Use a high-quality USB-C cable for reliable wired connections when Android Auto requires a wired link. For wireless use, enable Bluetooth and 5 GHz Wi-Fi on your phone and car. Also, update the Android Auto app and phone software before pairing. Restart both devices if pairing fails, and inspect cable integrity. Plug the USB-C cable into the phone and then into the car USB port if using wired mode. On the phone, accept Android Auto prompts and grant permissions for contacts, messages, location, and audio streaming. If using wireless mode, enable Bluetooth pairing on both devices and accept the pairing PIN when shown. Select Android Auto on the car display and choose your phone name from the device list. Confirm connections and wait for the Android Auto home screen to load fully before driving. Use voice commands for navigation, calls, and messages to minimize visual distraction while driving. Keep app use limited to supported apps such as Maps, Music, Messages, and Podcasts for safer interaction. Configure navigation destination and playlist before you start driving whenever possible. If the interface becomes unresponsive, disconnect the USB-C cable and then reconnect it to reset the session. Alternatively, restart your phone or the car head unit to clear persistent issues and restore a stable Android Auto connection for safe use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.